Hello my dear children, welcome to class 3rd Mathematics of 4-digit numbers. Today we will study successor of number and predecessor of numbers. Before studying successor and predecessor of numbers in detail, let's recall after and before number quickly. Let's take a number 546. Can you find the after number of 546? I know all of you can answer as you have already studied in class 2. How to get the after number of 546? What is the after number of 546? That is 547. How you got this number? By adding 1 to the given number. So 546 plus 1 and we got the after number, that is 547. Can you find the before number of 546? Yes, I know all of you can find this. That is 546 minus 1. That is 545. All of you know after number and before number. You know, after number is called as successor and before number is called as predecessor. Let's study successor and predecessor in detail. Let's study successor. What is successor? The number that just comes after a particular number is called its successor. As we have already studied, after number, so the number that comes just after a particular number is called its successor. Then how to get successor of a given number? Successor of a number equals to the given number plus 1. So let's take a question and understand. Write the successor of 7999. So how to get the successor of this number? We know successor of any number equals to the number which has given to you plus 1. Solution: the successor of 7999 equals to 7999 plus 1. Let's add 7999 plus 1. But where to place 1? 1 is a one-digit number. That means its place is ones. So below ones place, you need to put 1. Now add them. 9 plus 1 equals to 10. We need to keep 0 and we need to carry over 1. Again 9 plus 1 equals to 10. Give 0, carry over 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. Now keep 0 and carry over 1. So 1 plus 7 equals to 8. So what is the number? That is 8000. Now we got the successor of 7999. That is 8000. Answer: the successor of 7999 is 8000. Let's take another question and solve it. Write the successor of 8000. So how to find the successor of 8000? We have already discussed that the successor of any number equals to the number plus 1. So here the number is 8000. So the successor of 8000 is 8000 plus 1. So let's add. I have already written it here. Now 0 plus 1 equals to 1. Okay. Now nothing to carry over. So write down the rest of the digits. So this is 8001. Now I will write equals to 8001. Okay. Now answer: the successor of 8000 is 8001. At the end of every question, write answer. Hope successor is clear to you all. Successor, the after number is called as successor of any given number. Now, come to predecessor. Predecessor. What is predecessor of a number? The number that comes just before a particular number is called as its predecessor. So, predecessor of a given number is equals to the given number, the number which has given to you, less 1, means minus 1. We need to subtract 1 from the given number to get the before number, and we know that before number is the predecessor. Okay, let's take a question. Write the predecessor of 4900. Okay, solution. The predecessor of 4900 equals to the given number. What is the number that has given to you? 4900. So 4900 less 1. Okay. Now we will subtract 4900 less 1. Place 1 at 1's place. You remember. 1 is 1 digit number. So we need to place that below 1's place. Now we will subtract. See, 0 less 1 is not possible. So we need to borrow. So the next place is also 0. So how we can borrow? It can't give 1. So this 0 will borrow 1 from the next digit. The next one is 9. Yes, now 9 can give 1. After giving 1 to 0, it will become 8. Now the next digit will become 10. But this 10 has to give 1 to the next digit. Now after giving 1 to the next digit, 10 will become 9. And this will become, next digit will become 10. Now 10 less 1 is 9. Right? And 9 less 0 is 9. And here we have 8. And here it is 4. Correct? 4899. Answer. The predecessor of 4900 is 4899. Now take another question for practice. Question. Write the predecessor of 8654. Solution. The predecessor of 8654, as we know, the given number less 1, the given number here is 8654. So 8654 minus 1. Now we have to subtract 8654 less 1. We know that 1 will be placed below 1's place. So 4 less 1, that is 3. So the number is 8653. So equals to 8653. Answer. The predecessor of 8654 is 8653. Then what we have learned? Successor of a given number is equals to the given number plus 1, which is also called as the after number. And predecessor of a number is equals to the given number less 1, which is also the before number. Do practice. Thank you.